Well, let's go to some breaking news. Now, the Commonwealth Bank has just reported a 4% increase in cash profit to $10.3 billion in the recent financial year. Ed Boyd, our business reporter, is across all of this breaking news. So another record profit for the CBA, Ed.
Pete, record profit after record profit for Commonwealth Bank. This came out about 6 or 7 minutes ago. Cash profit, $10.3 billion. They say the loan book was very strong during the year. Obviously, we had the interest rates decision yesterday. Clearly affects a lot of people. CBA writes 1 in 4 mortgages across the country. So they got 25% of Australia's home loan market overall. There's a strong increase in the dividends, so I think shareholders will be happy. The Chief Executive, Matt Common, says, despite global uncertainty, the economy in Australia has remained resilient, strong fundamentals, including healthy labour market and steady immigration and ongoing public sector investment. They say sentiment's a little bit subdued, but they expect growth, modest growth over the coming year ahead.
Right. What's the dividend now?
The dividend has been increased to $4.85.
$4.85.
That's the total amount paid during the year.
It's during a year, yeah.
So up 4% on the prior year. So another increase in the dividend for shareholders.
So what's it going to do now with rates? I mean, some people had said, look, the banks might not pass these rates on. But surely that would mean for the CBA, look, you've got all this profit, you have to now.
Look, and they were the first bank yesterday to pass the rate cut on to customers, basically within a few minutes of the Reserve Bank's decision. And they said they'll change the rates on the 22nd of August, so in 10 days from that decision yesterday. And they do talk here about the loan loss rate has actually gone down, so people are actually paying off their mortgages in good time as opposed to previously when people were struggling. It seems to be, at least at CommBank, the loan impairment expense has gone down, which is a good sign for the economy.
Have all the other major four moved on?
They have.
They have? Everyone's fallen
The banks have all gone into line. Some of the smaller banks I don't think have moved yet, but we'll probably hear from them in the coming days. So,
CBA share price, so it's peaked at $191 in June. Can it get back there now?
Look, Pete, I think it can. It's about $178 closing price last night. We'll see what the market reaction is to this result this morning. Obviously, it's the biggest company on the stock market in Australia. They're a sense check for the economy and how things are tracking. I think they're doing pretty well. We'll have to see how it goes.
Sure. Great stuff. Thank you, Ed, with that breaking news.